A little knife like this can do a lot of damage, but we're only using it for the good things. And that is unboxing another little device that can also do a lot of, let's call it, good damage. But you're probably aware and in the mesh game already, if you know what this is the T1000E, a model from Seed Studio from the SenseCAP series, which enables off-grid communication and was previously one of the most used nodes that are available. So there's a new version, which I have in my grubby little hands right here. And there's only like 3 to 5 devices in the world right now. And Seed Studio was so grateful. I'm grateful that they sent one of them to me for review. So let's look at what we're getting. We're getting the node itself, then a little pull tab right here. And this contains all the new stuff that is very important for this node. You're probably wondering why I'm making such a big deal out of it. First off, comes with a snap hook right there. Before you had to buy it separately, which is a nice feature. And then also, guys, USB-C is here. And if you want to take a look at the node, it's right there on the bottom. So you can charge it with USB-C, power the node with it. Supposedly should have a runtime of about 5 days. And there's a few upgrades that you don't see directly. But if we look at the node right here, there's like a rubber padding, a little LED. I can tell you there is a vibration motor inside. So it can also do silent alarms without beeping, but rather being like... and then, of course, there's no need for a connector on the backside. There's a little part here, which is for a sensor that is inside. And this is a barometric pressure sensor. So it can easily detect how high you are, or better detect how high you are. And it comes also with a dual band GNSS positioning system. So previously it was like a 1-band system. This is a 2-band system, which saves some energy and gives you way better positioning for the same energy budget. But yeah, this is just a few things that are going on here. There's a newer LoRa chip inside that should be able to do more cool things. And the other one right here is almost the same size. You see that in a comparison? Right? It's not that big. So it's an almost ideal node. It's not waterproof in a way that you can dunk it into water. Obviously, there's a lot of holes in the USB-C here, but it's IP66, which should keep it clean and working from the most, let's say, hiking adventures or festivals. And the way it is designed that you carry it with the top here with a lanyard or like a snap hook, it's also possible to go in light rain because obviously it will drip down here and you shouldn't have any issues. But yeah, full USB-C, dual band GNSS, runtime of about 5 days. You can tweak that to about a week. And yeah, the buzzer is probably the feature that I'm most excited for. And also the new LoRa chip, which should be able in the future, according to the documentation, to also send like little pictures or small compressed videos. But this is future talk right now at this point. Just the new generation, the X1 tracker, reminds you of probably another company out there, but the design is very sleek. We got the USB-C that all of the community wanted, so I'm happy and I wish you happy meshing. I say, ciao mit V, bye with, I even forgot my catchphrase here. Oh, bear with me. I think it was "see you later." That's the English version of ciao mit V. And that was Robert from Kayna-Funkt.